let's take a look at the Gantt functionality in the Tasks module. So click into Tasks. Now what we might like to do is, for example, do a search on any tasks that are current for the current user. And for that found set, we can then click on List and view that list in a Gantt type list. So we can visually see across the screen what days those tasks are occurring on. And we've got the ability then to move around tasks. So for example, we can drag this task here, move it to another date, or we might want to extend the date. So we can drag the duration, or we can also reduce the duration as well. And another option is to double click on the timeline, and we can change the dates directly from here. You can also color code the Gantt timelines. So in Setup, you can set up for each task type a color. So if there's a matching type on actual tasks, it'll display the relevant color from Setup in this screen. And if there's no match, well then it'll just have a default color that you can also specify in Setup. Down the bottom of the screen, we can change how many days are displaying on the screen. So let's say we just want to display 7. We can then view that over here. Or if you've got a larger screen, you might want to display 30. Now this is on a small screen, so this will actually look small, but it's still actually usable. You can set the start date to change by clicking on the calendar icon here, or just set the start date to today, or use the arrow keys to toggle between days. So if we take a look at Setup and Lists and Menus, and in here, this is where we can set the colors for the task types and set up any new task types as well. So on the right hand side, we've got various color options. So let's say we want to set a color for one of these task types or create a new one. What you do is you click on the right hand side on the color that you want to use, and then in here you click on the color that you want to change it to. So let's go back into tasks. So again, for the found set of records, we've the ability to click into the Options tab, and there's a report in here that we can print the task month Gantt list. We can specify a heading and click Continue. And in here then we can specify what month we want to include for this report. So let's say July. Click Continue. And that'll generate the report. So for the found set of tasks, we can then see across that month where they occur, and also have them color coded. So this is very much more of a printable type report as opposed to the on-screen reports on the Gantt list screen. So this functionality is very similar to Gantt list screen functionality that's available in Jobs as well. That functionality is included in a separate video tutorial.